Okay, so question number 9 here is saying that f of x is equivalent to 4x plus 1. Then g of x is equivalent to 6 minus 2x. Then h of x is equivalent to 3 to the power of x minus 2. So the question is saying that find f of 3. So f of 3 is the substitution of 3 where x is. So it's going to be equivalent to 4, 3 here plus 1, which is actually 4 times 3, which is 12 plus 1, 13. That's it. Then g f of 3. So it's the substitution of f of 3, this one, the value 13, into g. So g of f of 3 will be equivalent to 6 minus 2, where x is, I'm going to put the value of f of 3, which is x, which is actually equivalent to 13 here. So 6 minus 2 times 13. So it's 6 minus 2 times 13, which gives me minus 20. So gf of 3 is equivalent to minus 20. All right, that's fine. Then we get g inverse of x. G inverse of x, okay, is equals to, so what I do firstly, I take g of x, then I say y is equals to g of x. So it's going to be y is equals to the value of g of x, which is 6 minus 2x. okay, then the next thing, I'm going to make x subject to the formula, so I'll swap negative 2x and y. I'm going to take negative 2x here, so it becomes 2x is equivalent to 6 minus y, okay, over 2 over 2. So I make x subject of the formula, so it's x is equivalent to 6 minus y over 2. So g inverse of x is going to be equivalent to, I'll just substitute here, substitute the value of y here, so it will be 6 minus x over 2. So g inverse of x is 6 minus x over 2. Then we get to the next one, which is find x when f of x is equivalent to that. So f of x is 4x plus 1. F of x is equivalent to 4x plus 1. So g of x also is equivalent to 6 minus 2x. okay, so what am I going to do? F of x now is equivalent to g of 2x minus 7. So I'm going to say f of x, which is 4x plus 1, is equivalent to g of that, it's 6 minus 2. Where x is, I'm substituting for this function, so because instead of g of x is now g of 2x minus 7, so 2x minus 7 here. Okay, I've inserted 2x minus 7 into g, so I'll say 4x plus 1 is equivalent to 6 minus 4x. okay, then minus 2 times this one, it will become plus 14. okay, so 6 plus 14 is 20. 20 plus 20 minus 4x here. okay, I mean yes, so 4x plus 1 here. So terms in x, I can bring them one side, which makes 4x plus 4x, okay, is equivalent to 20 minus 1, which is 8x is equivalent to 19 over 8 over 8. So the value of x is equivalent to 19 over 8. Okay, that's fine. So let me finish up the last ones. Find h of 2. h of 2. So here the question is saying that find the value of h of 2. So firstly, I've got to know what h of x is. So according to the question paper here, h of x is equivalent to 3 to the power of x minus 2. 3 to the power of x minus 2. So h of x is equivalent to 3 to the power of x minus 2. Okay, so h of x is equivalent to 3 to the power of x minus 2. So now what am I going to do is that I'm going to say h of 2 first. H of 2, I'll get 3 to the power of 2 minus 2, which is 3 to the power of 0, which gives us 1. So h of 2 is equals to 1. So for h of 2, I'm substituting h of 2 into h. So h of 2, I'll say 3 to the power of where x is, I'm putting h of 2, which is 1. So I'll say 1 minus 2, which is equivalent to 3 to the power of minus 1, which is 1 over 3. So that's h of 2. Then for h inverse of x is equals to 10. Okay, I have to find x. X is equals to question mark. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to take h of x, which is h of x is equivalent to 3 to the power of x minus 2. So if h of x inverse is equals to 10, it means that I can as well substitute x. I can substitute what's this? I can substitute for this inverse here. So it will become 3 to the power of 10 minus 2, which is 3 to the power of 8. Then according to the calculator here, 3 to the power of 8, 3 to the power of 8, it will give me 6,561. So this is equivalent to 6,561. All right, that's fine.